Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best face cream is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make for your skincare routine, and with so many options out there, finding the perfect one for your skin type can feel overwhelming. This video will cut through the noise and help you navigate the world of face creams, exploring key ingredients, benefits, and considerations to help you choose a product that will leave your skin feeling healthy, radiant, and truly amazing. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris Collagen Moisturizer. This daily face cream is designed to intensely hydrate your skin, helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and restore moisture for a smoother, younger-looking complexion. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Enjoy the benefits of deep hydration without the heavy feel. It's perfect for daily use. You'll notice a difference quickly. After just one night, your skin will feel nourished with moisture. Within a week, it will feel smoother, and after 4 weeks, wrinkles will appear visibly reduced. Give your skin the daily hydration it craves with this collagen-infused moisturizer. It's part of L'Oréal Paris's anti-aging skincare line, designed to keep your skin healthy and radiant. Start by cleansing with Revitalift Derm Intensive's glycolic acid cleanser, treat the under-eye area with Eye Defense Eye Cream, and then hydrate day and night with this collagen moisture filler moisturizer for best results. What we like? It's a daily dose of hydration that helps fill in the appearance of lines and wrinkles. If you are looking for a moisturizer that helps restore moisture for smoother, plumper skin, and you want to see visible results in just 4 weeks, you should consider this. This is perfect for those who want to achieve a youthful glow and reduce the appearance of wrinkles with consistent use. What people say. It has a nice light smell and it feels greasy upon application, but it doesn't dry that way. It goes on light and blends into your skin well. Easy to apply and doesn't leave a greasy feel. It makes my skin look and feel so much better. It definitely works on me. It is an affordable product that makes a difference. I have a dry skin and this really helps my face stay hydrated and looking smooth and fresh. There is not a strong scent either. You don't even need that much when you apply it, it spreads so evenly. The smell is subtle but great. Makes my skin feel amazing in the next morning. No breakouts or bad reactions for me, just clear, plump skin that glows. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair. This daily moisturizer is formulated with dermatologist-recommended ingredients to help repair and hydrate your skin. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It contains ceramide, 3 to help retain moisture and niacinamide to help restore your skin's moisture barrier and reduce the appearance of discoloration. The unique formula includes La Roche-Posay Prebiotic Thermal Water, which helps support a healthy skin microbiome for healthy-looking skin. It provides double action, repairing your skin's barrier in just 1 hour and hydrating for up to 48 hours. Experience long-lasting comfort and hydration. Its lightweight cream texture absorbs quickly, providing immediate comfort without feeling greasy. It's perfect for everyday use. This fragrance-free, oil-free, and alcohol-free moisturizer is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's also paraben-free and non-comedogenic. With regular use, it helps restore your skin's natural protective barrier, leaving it looking and feeling healthy and radiant. Discover the difference today. What we like? It's formulated with dermatologist-recommended ingredients to repair the skin's natural protective barrier and provide long-lasting hydration. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a fragrance-free, oil-free moisturizer that provides long-lasting hydration and repairs your skin barrier, this is the one for you. This is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. What people say. It does not feel heavy, it does not cause my skin to break out, not even on my nose, which has always been a problem for me with face lotion. But this stuff keeps my skin soft, clear, and hydrated. This is a wonderful face moisturizer which has all the best ingredients for good results. It feels thick going on but quickly melts into your skin, leaving your face feel and look moisturized. It has a light pleasant scent and lasts several months using it 2 times a day. This stuff is a holy grail for anyone dealing with dryness, irritation, or a compromised skin barrier. It's lightweight but still deeply hydrating, and it absorbs like a dream, no greasy residue, no heavy feeling. It layers beautifully under sunscreen and makeup, and on its own, it gives my skin that healthy, dewy look. Bonus points for niacinamide and ceramides, my skin loves them. Number 3. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This is our new and improved retinol cream, designed to help you achieve younger-looking skin. It's now enhanced with a soothing complex for a more comfortable experience. This daily moisturizer hydrates your skin while targeting fine lines, dullness, dark spots, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. It's your all-in-one solution for radiant skin. See visible improvements quickly. It instantly hydrates for smoother skin, reduces the appearance of dark spots in just 1 week, and minimizes the look of deep wrinkles in just 4 weeks. This cream is formulated with a soothing complex to minimize irritation. It's dermatologist tested and suitable for daily use on all skin tones. It's also free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It contains pure retinol, clinically proven to be superior to other retinol esters, and hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. This is the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Experience the benefits of a professional-grade anti-aging treatment from the comfort of your home. Make this your daily ritual for healthier, more youthful-looking skin. What we like. This anti-aging cream features retinol and hyaluronic acid to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. If you are looking for a clinically proven wrinkle cream that delivers visible results in just 1 week, you should definitely consider this. This is perfect for those who want to target multiple signs of aging at once. What people say. The wrinkles, in particular my forehead, have literally diminished. They were very noticeable. As you see in my picture, I can barely notice anything there. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. I love the way it feels and smells, and really noticed a brightening of my skin and minimizing of fine lines. I found it to be pretty gentle and didn't have any issues with burning or irritation. Number 2. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré. Discover the secret to radiant skin with this versatile daily moisturizer. It's a must-have for all skin types. This amazing cream works as a moisturizer, makeup primer, and makeup remover. It simplifies your skincare routine. It's enriched with shea butter and aloe vera to deeply nourish and soothe your skin, leaving it soft and healthy. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this cream is gentle enough for daily use. It adapts to your skin's needs. Experience the luxurious quality of this French face cream. It's a timeless classic for a reason. This cream streamlines your routine, saving you time and effort without compromising on results. It's truly a game changer. What we like. It's a multi-purpose cream that can be used as a moisturizer, primer, and makeup remover. If you like versatile products and want a cream that's suitable for all skin types, you should consider this. This is perfect for those who want a simple, yet effective skincare routine. What people say. It's creamy and super moisturizing, but not heavy at all. It blends in perfectly and leaves my skin with a healthy glowy look. This moisturizer is super lightweight, absorbs fast, and doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. It's the perfect balance, hydrating without making my face feel oily or heavy. As a makeup artist, I definitely recommend this cream 100% because you can use it as a primer, you can use it as a moisturizer for your skin, for your face, for your neck. It has many functions and the results are great. Number 1. Olay Retinol 24 Moisturizer. It provides hydration that lasts twice as long as a high-end cream. Experience long-lasting moisture throughout your day. This fragrance-free gel absorbs quickly without feeling sticky or greasy. It's perfect for use under makeup. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides for all-day hydration. These ingredients work together to keep your skin moisturized. Apply it evenly to your face and neck, both morning and night, for best results. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You'll feel immediate hydration that lasts 24 hours. Over time, you'll see visibly healthier, more radiant skin. It's been dermatologically tested and contains dermatologist-recommended peptides. You can trust it for your skin. What we like. It's a lightweight, non-greasy gel moisturizer that provides 24-hour hydration. If you are looking for a hydrating anti-aging cream that won't clog your pores, and you want to see a radiant glow, you should consider this. This is perfect for those who want to achieve a youthful glow without the heavy feeling of traditional creams. What people say. Effective results. I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin since I started using this night cream in conjunction with their daytime formula. Fine lines have visibly reduced, and my skin feels smoother and more vibrant. The results are simply remarkable. Non-greasy formula. What sets this cream apart is its non-greasy, lightweight formula. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling hydrated without that heavy, sticky feeling. Niacinamide bonus. The addition of niacinamide, a powerhouse ingredient, adds an extra layer of benefits. It helps even out my skin tone and minimizes the appearance of pores, leaving me with a more youthful complexion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.